Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to successfully log in to USPF Canvas LMS. First is you need to open your browser. So your browser could be Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, or any available browser in your laptop and smartphone devices. So after you open your browser, you type in uspf.instructure.com in the address bar, then press enter. So once you press enter, you will be directed to the login page. You will know that this is the correct website when you see the logo of the USPF in the screen. Then type your email and the password. Your Canvas LMS account will be provided by the EduTech coordinator. If you don't know your Canvas LMS account, your email and password, you can send a message to edutech@uspf.edu.ph or call ICT office and look for the EduTech coordinator for your account. Again, type email and your password, then click login button. Once you successfully log in, you will see the following sections: account, dashboard, courses, calendar, and box and help. This is how to successfully log in to USPF Canvas LMS.